Making use of your daily work truck just got better. In this video, we will show you how to install Alpena's LED truck bed kit, built for pickup trucks. You will need the following tools for this installation. Protective eyewear must be used. Let's get started. Open the box to lay out your products and ensure you have all your parts. Carefully remove the LED truck bed kit and hardware from the packaging. Untangle all the wiring. Remove the existing Try-Me battery from the kit by cutting both positive and negative wires just near the battery. This product comes with a pin switch that is activated by the opening of a tailgate. If you would like to use the pin switch, place it along an edge that will be contacted when you close your truck's tailgate. If there is no existing hole in the desired mounting area, you will need to drill a hole. Grab a power drill and use a 5/16 inch or 8mm drill bit to make a hole. We recommend that you protect your new mounting hole with proper body prepping and paint protection to prevent corrosion. Insert the pin switch. While we're here, crimp the female crimp connector to the black negative wire. Select mounting location for the LEDs. Use soap and hot water to clean the surface area before mounting. Be sure to avoid using acetone cleaning products as they do not work as efficiently as soap and hot water. Test fit into the mounting locations, ensuring wiring is long enough. Make sure the wiring does not interfere with any vehicle functions. Apply the 3M double-sided tape to the LEDs. Use surface cleaning method to prep the 3M tape. Carefully remove the 3M tape and gently press into place. Be sure not to apply excessive pressure to the LED chips. If you're not using the included pin switch, you have the option to attach the positive black and white stripe wire to an existing 12-volt power source and connect the negative wire to a safe, clean ground connection. Attach the positive black and white striped wire securely to a 12-volt fuse power source, such as your cabin light, running lights, or preferred 12-volt power source that will work for this application. Your truck bed kit is now ready for use.